Hi, this is Chris from Fix Fitbits, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the screen on a Fitbit Versa 2. In the description of this video you can find a link to a detailed breakdown to this repair tutorial and also a link to buy a Fitbit Versa 2 screen. The first step to this repair is removing the screen. In order to do so you will need to apply some heat, which we're doing with a thin-nosed heat gun. If you don't have a heat gun you can just use a hairdryer. Due to where the ribbon from the screen is attached to the board, you will need to focus on prying the top, the left hand side with the button, and then the bottom side of the device. After applying some heat to one side of the device, you can pry under the screen before applying heat to the next side, and so on until you have three sides of the screen loose. Once the three sides of the screen are loose, you can pull your screen away from the device towards the side that's still attached before prying off the final side with the ribbon inside. You will then remove the metal shield, which you'll find just under the screen, by removing its three screws. Simply pry away from the ribbon that connects the screen to the main board of your Fitbit. Remove the glue from the screen that remains on the housing so that when it comes to gluing on your new screen you can create a more full seal. You can now attach your replacement Fitbit Versa 2 screen by pressing down its ribbon into place. Reinsert the metal shield and secure it with its three screws. Next, you'll apply some glue to the flat surface of the housing where your screen will sit. Wipe away any glue that's escaped from your device. If you want details of what tools to use, including using the correct sort of glue, check out the link to our tutorial breakdown, which you'll find in the description. That's all for today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.